Hello, today I'm going to talk about cross-elasticity of demand, which is also known as XED. What is cross-elasticity of demand? It is a measure of the responsiveness of the demand for one good to a change in the price of another good. Think about Coke and Pepsi. For Coke, price here is $1.50 and the quantity demanded, which is QD, is 1,000. Price of Pepsi is also the same, 1.50 and the QD is 1,000 as well. Now, what will happen if Coke Company decide to increase its price to $2? In this case, due to the law of demand, the demand for Coke will possibly increase. Since Pepsi is a substitute for Coke, consumers will start changing their demand to Pepsi, which makes the demand for Pepsi increase, and vice versa. The formula to calculate XED is XED equal percentage change in demand for good X over the percentage change in price of good Y. XED provides two kinds of important information. The first one is sign of XED, which is positive, negative, or neutral, and the magnitude of the XED, which means how small or large is its numerical value. The first one is positive value. This is when the XED is greater than 0. This also means when the change in demand for the one good is the same direction as the change in the price of other good. The positive value indicates that the two products are substitute. Here's an example. If the XED of Apple and Samsung is plus 0.7, this means that a 1% increase in the price of Apple will give rise to a 0.7% increase in demand for Samsung. Also, we can say that the larger the value of positive XED, the closer the substitute. For example, the two goods, Apple and Samsung, have an XED of plus 0.7. It's said to be closer than the two cars from brand Toyota and Hyundai, which is 0.3. The second one is negative value, where XED is smaller than 0. This is when the demand for one good and the price of another good change in opposite directions. This indicates that the two products are complement. For example, if the price of, Xbox and Xbox game. If the price of Xbox increases due to the law of demand, the quantity of Xbox demanded will fall. And since Xbox and Xbox game are used together, the demand for Xbox game will also fall, and vice versa. One more important thing, the larger the value of negative XED, the greater is the complementarity between two goods. For example, two goods with the XED of minus 0.8 will be more complement to two goods with an XED of minus 0.5. The last one is zero value, which is neutral. Some products, such as books and forks, are not related. Therefore, an increase in price of books will have no effect on the demand for forks, so the XED value between two products would be 0. This is the end. Thank you for listening.